So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. So after that you can see this is right hand side search button. Just click on that. Then enter the model number of your the motherboard B760 DS3H AC. Then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard. Then click on support. So guys, select your operating system Windows 10 and 11 Windows 10 and 11 operating system installations process same. Select any, so no worry about that. VGA driver, VGA means graphic driver, extract. So you can see this and click to download. After you can see start downloading, and after download just open this and double click to launch. So it is completed, and then close it. But ask for yes. Now this is extracting.